And the race on dart sequence from the outside, Dandino. Late choice, Flo Joyner, Temptress, Danori inside, Dico Akalain. Principe Alic on the outside, Cheerleader, Perfectionist, Don Vicente, and Pag-asa is running at the tail of the field. Dandino by a length and a half. Flo Joyner is on the outside, Late choice by Darrell is Dico Akaline alongside his dart sequence, rushing up Temptress, Principe Alic, and the choice. And at a far turn, Dandino on the outside, Dico Akala, Prince raise the final corner. The outstanding favorite, Dandino, by about 2 lengths, followed now by Dico Akalain. Flo Joyner racing on the outside, his dart sequence, and nearing the finish line, Dandino by about 3 lengths, and finally, Dandino. Second, Flo Joyner. Number 4, Dico Akalain. Number 2, Don Vicente.